this one is a Iron Man. Hey, this one is a pig. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals. So there is the first one. Hey. This one is a yellow color, and there is the next one is a blue. Ho. And here is the another big one, pink color animal. There is the another one. Hey. This one is orange, and this one is another orange here. This one is a blue. Ho. And there is the another one is a pink color. And here is the another. Ha. This one is a very nice green. There is the next one is pink color, and there is the another pink. I collecting. And here is the orange color, and there is the last one is a blue. So guys, here is all of animals and toys collecting in my bucket. Let's go for cleaning. So here is my cleaning water, and that is my all of animals. That is the first one. Oh, this one is a horse.
And the filly went on a walk one day, but the horse was so in love. He told her that he loved her. The filly was
Collecting this horse here, and there is another one. Oh, this one is a ladybug.
Flying all around the trees, ladybug, bumblebee, and butterfly, flying high into the sky.
Collecting this ladybug here. Next one. Oh, this one is a Pikachu. Collecting this Pikachu here also. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a scorpion.
Well, for your information, I'm a scorpion. Try not to get in my way here. Not that I will hurt you. Only very few of us are dangerous.
Ha. There is the another one. Oh, this one is a big fish. Oh! Collecting this fish here. And there is the another. Oh, this one is a goat. Collecting this goat here also. Here is the another one. Oh, this one is a cow. Oh, this one is a talking Tom. Collecting the talking Tom. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is a bee.
am Miss Cassandra.
Collecting this bee here. Next one. Oh, this one is an elephant. Collecting this elephant here. That is the next one. Oh, this one is the Iron Man. Collecting this one here. Next one. Hey, this one is a bee. I'm collecting this bee here. And that is the last one. Oh, this one is an octopus. Collecting this octopus here. So guys, here is all of animals collecting, and see you soon with next time.